Hey everyone, Joe from Boulet's Garage here. So how much money do you set aside for maintenance and repairs on your car? I'm going to tell you how much you probably should be setting aside for your car right after this. So how much are you setting aside for repairs on your car, or are you setting any money aside at all for repairs and maintenance? Well, you should be setting aside at least $100 a month. That's $3.33 a day. Now, you might think, well, that's a lot. Gee, how am I going to do that? Well, how much do you think you might spend at Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or any of these places per day? 5, 7, $10 a day maybe? Well, however you do it, you can have your bank set up a debit card, maybe put so much in there every week, an envelope system of some sort. You can do that. I've got a handful of customers that do that, and they love it. It's kind of like having a health savings account for yourself. That's great, right? You got money there set aside for doctor bills and stuff. Of course, it's not, tax deductible like an HSA is, but it's nice to have that peace of mind. So, I mean, your car payment, your insurance, what it costs to register it, inspect it if you have it, all that stuff's got to be considered too. So you might want to think more like $150 a month. But give it a shot, try it. It's nothing worse than having someone come in and need a bunch of work on their car and you don't have the money set aside for it. The position I'm in, I can't extend credit to people, so it's a good idea to have some kind of system for yourself, to discipline yourself, set some money aside, and especially for the unexpected repairs. All right, until next time, hopefully this has opened your eyes a little bit, and like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great night.